Okay, good evening, everyone. So, we will have a quiz today on Kahoot platform. So, I'll first tell you how this Kahoot operates. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So, share the screen. Okay. Firstly, you have to search Kahoot.it on your browser, any browser. Okay. And then you have to enter the game pin that I'll tell you now. Okay. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Clear. Okay. Then there will be a question will be displayed, and then you'll be given four options like one, two, three, four. I'll read it for you as there will be only the color box visible into your screen. Okay. So I'll read like first option, and then second option, then third option, and then fourth option. And you have to select one from them, and you will have 60 seconds, that is 1 minute, for attempting one question. Okay. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then so open this Kahoot and you'll get this screen. Okay, have you opened?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, shall we? Yes, everybody, shall we start?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then I'll tell you the pin. So the pin is 282529. I will repeat again, 282529. You can enter the game pin and you can put your name after that. Okay, Shaili Gautam joined. Divya ma'am joined. Kritika ma'am also joined. Bhavna ma'am also joined. Vartini ma'am, Akanksha ma'am. Anybody else in the meeting? 6 people have joined. Yes. Okay, everybody have joined this. Then we will. Okay, 4 people. 2 people have left it. Don't go back. I will give instruction for all the things. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Dhruja ma'am, there are 6 interns, right?
Yes,
Other
yes.
than you and Garvita ma'am.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, तो
Yeah.
start करें. Okay, then we will start. I will read
Yes,
out the
ma'am, we can
question.
start.
Okay, some. Shelly Gautam ma'am, I think she left again. Okay, she joined again. Okay, just don't press back or any other button. Okay, we are going to start now. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Okay. So week 2 quizzes is it will be depend on training and development, motivation and leadership questions. Okay, so the first question is training focuses on first option job role, second option, person, third option, time, and fourth option, money. The training focuses on which of these four options? In red, job role. In blue, person. In yellow, it is time. And it is green, it is money.
Excuse me, ma'am, can you please repeat?
Yes, sure.
Time is
So
very less.
training.
There are 20 seconds.
Okay, so the training focuses on which of these options? Training. Okay, we have learned this. First is job role, then second is person, third is time, and fourth is money. Okay, one more. Okay, so two people have given the correct answer. So the correct answer was job role. Okay, training is focused on job role. Okay, and person, the development is focused on the person. We have seen the differences, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So we'll go to the next question. So this is the
Yes, so
scoreboard.
before going to the
Vartini
next
ma'am.
question, yes, ma'am, I just wanted to convey that the question is already displayed in the top. Okay, you can read it out from there only because time already has started. So there is a like 1 minute time for each question. Okay, so
Okay,
remember that.
ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Yeah,
Ma'am,
yeah.
I think
Yes.
okay. Okay, so first is Vartini ma'am with 700 points, and second is Kritika ma'am with 500 points. So we'll go to the next point, next question. Okay. So the development focuses on overall progression of the individuals. True or false? Development focuses on overall progression of the individuals. So is it true or false? Yes, one more answer is required as 6 people are joined. Okay, so true. Very good. Everyone has given the correct answer. Okay, so we'll go to the next question. So which is not the step of training process? First is need assessment. Second option designing. Third option implementation. And fourth option is calling. So which is not the step of training process, huh? So in red it is needs assessment, and in blue color it is designing, in yellow color it is implementation, and in green color it is calling. Fourth option is calling, second option is designing, third option is implementation, and first option is needs assessment. Okay, so calling was the correct option. Other three are the steps of training process. Okay, we'll go to the next question. Okay, Akanksha ma'am have topped now. So we'll go to the next question. So what is related to current job? First option is training, second option is development, third option is recruitment, and fourth option is selection. So which is related to current job? So the focus on current job. First option is training in red color, in blue color it is development, in yellow color it is recruitment, and in green color it is selection. So you have 25 seconds to give the answer from now. 4 people have answered. 5 people. Okay, so correct answer was third, training. 3 people have given. So training is more related to current job, where development is related to future job, and recruitment selection are not like options here. Okay, so it was about training and development. So the correct answer is training. So yes. Next question. Development is short term. True or false? In blue it is true and false in the red. So two people have given like true, so, but the development is short term. It is false, right? The correct answer is false. Development is more longer procedure as it focus on the progression of employee, right? And training is like current job, so it is short term. So the correct answer is development is long term. Okay, so that was the false, that it is short term. So ready for the next question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So next question is in on your screen. So among these four options, which is on the job training? Okay, so in red it is job rotation, in blue it is simulation, second option, and third in yellow it is classroom training, and fourth in green it is vestibule. Job rotation or simulation or classroom training or vestibule. Yes, one more person is not answered yet. Okay, job rotation was the correct answer. Classroom training is outside the organization, right? Your classroom training is not given on the job while you are operating on the machine. So classroom training is off the job training and job rotation is on the job training. Okay, so that was the correct answer. Job rotation is the on the job training. So next, seventh question, which is the off the job training from these four options? So first is job rotation, second is simulation, third is apprenticeship, and fourth is job instruction. So among these four, you have to choose off the job training. First is job rotation, second is simulation, third is apprenticeship, and fourth is job instruction. So only 30 seconds left. Fast answer for this question.
Yeah, 3 people get to answer. Okay, now 2. Quick, quick. Give your answers. Yeah?
Okay,
Okay.
simulation was the correct answer because simulation is like demo. So it is given off the job, where job rotation is just we have discussed, right? Job rotation is on the job training. And apprenticeship is also on the job training and job instruction also on the job training. So simulation is off the job training among these four options. So next, we will go to the next option. Sorry, next question, which is not the leadership style. Okay, four options are given. First is authoritarian, second is participative, third is descriptive, and fourth is laissez-faire. So which is not the leadership style? First is in red, it is authoritarian leadership style. In blue, it is participative leadership style. In third, in yellow, it is descriptive. And in green, fourth option, it is laissez-faire. So come on, it's just 20 seconds left and only one person have answered this question. 2. Only 10 seconds left. Okay. So the correct answer is descriptive. It is not the leadership style. Other three we have seen in yesterday's class only, right? Authoritarian leadership style, participative leadership style, and laissez-faire. So descriptive is not a leadership style. Okay. So next, ninth question. Skill required by the leader is first option communication, second option in blue it is driving, then third option negativity in yellow, and fourth option in green arrogance. So it was easy, right? So just give answer quickly.
Ma'am, I got disconnected from the quiz.
Okay, you can connect again.
Yeah, ma'am, but it's not taking my previous answers.
Yeah,
Okay, no
because
problem.
it's
Just attend.
already have completed. Yeah, upcoming one you can attend. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll wait for you to join. Okay. So everyone have given the correct answer. Communication is the important skill required by the leader. So it is the right answer. And everyone have given the answer. 6 people. Yes, have you joined, ma'am? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So can we proceed to the next question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Snehal ma'am,
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
am I audible? Yeah, I think
Yes, ma'am.
Amrita ma'am has just joined, right?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. I was having some network issues, so I couldn't join, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so we were having like quiz. So you can just weave now. Okay, so we have already done 10 questions and only 2 questions are left. Okay, ma'am. Okay, shall we proceed to the next question, ma'am, then? Adusha, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so next question, true or false? There are 2 types of motivation. First is extrinsic and second is intrinsic. So you have to tell whether it is true or false. Okay, there is spelling mistake in second option. It is intrinsic. Okay, so there are only these 2 motivation type, which is extrinsic and intrinsic, and true. Everybody have given the answer correctly. So we'll move to the next question, 11th question. Which of the following is not extrinsic motivation? The first is salary, second is promotion, third is respect, and fourth is bonus. So which among this is not the extrinsic motivation? Extrinsic is like external motivation. So it is not extrinsic, so that means, okay, only 2 people have answered. Just 30 seconds remaining. Yes, salary, promotion, respect, or bonus, which is not extrinsic motivation. Only 10 seconds left, and 2 more people have to answer. Okay, so respect was the correct answer, and cause other 3 like salary, promotion, bonuses, all 3 are parts of like examples of extrinsic motivation because those are external motivation, right? And respect is intrinsic, right? So we'll go to the
Yes,
next
ma'am.
question now. Okay. So the last question, which is intrinsic motivation. So first option is respect and honor. Second option bonus. Third option salary. And fourth option grades, which is intrinsic motivation. Respect and honor, first option, second option bonus, third option salary, and fourth option grades. Yes, two more people have to answer. Intrinsic is inside motivation, right? So 5 seconds left. Okay, respect and honor. So last question was like the answer of this question, right? Respect is there in the last. So respect and honor is inside the employee. So it is basically intrinsic motivation. That is okay. So the winners are Akanksha ma'am is the third winner. Then second winner is Bhavna ma'am. And the topper is Vartini ma'am. Congratulations to all the three and
Congratulations,
others
Lakshmi
also.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. So how was this?
So have you enjoyed?
Very nice, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Very, very nice, ma'am. Really got experience.
Okay,
Okay,
Ma'am,
so
great.
we will have
और
this
रखो please.
yes, yes. We will have this every Saturday or weekly once, okay, as our syllabus is covered, okay?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
So it's
anyone is
interesting,
having
right?
any question?
Yeah. Do you have any question regarding this quiz? Any question? Any doubt you guys are having?
No, ma'am.
It was all clear, right? So I
Yes, ma'am.
think it has given a clarity on the topic, right? Training and development.
Right, ma'am.
And then yeah. Is it clear?
So anyone
Everything?
having any, like, so many of you have like even the like wrong answer, maybe it was by mistake, but anyone is having any like there is no clarity in this point or like anything, because we have completed 2 weeks now, and the next part is totally dependent on these 2 week sessions, the syllabus.
Yes, yes. So if you guys are having any question, yes, Amrita ma'am.
Ma'am, actually, due to network issues, I couldn't attend few, so it would be great if we have the recording, ma'am, so that we can just revise it one more time.
Can you please say it again, ma'am, because you are not clearly audible.
Yeah, your voice is breaking.
Can you hear me now, ma'am?
Yes, better.
Yes, ma'am.
Due to some network issues, I missed few classes, so it would be better if we have the recording, ma'am, so that we can just revise it whenever we get time. Is it possible to send the
Yes,
recording
ma'am.
links, ma'am?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Because before we start with the next
have
set
it.
of topic, great if.
Yes, it will be shared, okay?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Yeah, okay. But please try to join the meetings like sessions, okay? It's better if you are there and if you are clearing, like we are also here, right? So we would be able to understand your queries. So it would be better if you join the sessions, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Sure, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay, so I have spoken to Garvita ma'am, so she will send the YouTube link of the sessions to your group. Okay. And if you're not like comfortable to this time, you can. Okay, so if you're not comfortable at this time of attending, then you can tell to Garvita ma'am.
Yeah, absolutely. If this time is not convenient, you can convey this message to Garbita ma'am. Okay, it's for
Sure, ma'am.
everyone. Okay, yeah. So no queries till like whatever we have discussed from the first week and then second week. Any queries?
Okay, then we can wind up then if you people are not having any doubts. Okay, because
Yes.
if we
See,
start
guys,
by
silent
now
means
to
it will be difficult for you to understand, I believe. Yeah, ma'am.
and like it is like more like
See, if you
interactive
are
sessions, right?
silent,
Otherwise it will be
uh,
yeah,
No doubts, ma'am. Everything is clear, ma'am.
okay. Great, Vartini ma'am.
good.
Bhavna ma'am, any questions, any issues, or anything related to week one, any topic
No,
or week
ma'am. All clear.
all clear? Okay. Akanksha ma'am?
Yeah, ma'am, cleared.
Okay, great. Divya ma'am, okay. It's no doubt. Fine. Great. Gautam Sai ma'am?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Kritika ma'am?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Amrita ma'am, you have told that you have missed some classes, right? So once the link will be shared, you go through all the sessions. Okay. After that, if you are having like any queries, you can ask us to. We will be, answer to those questions. Okay. Is that okay, Amrita ma'am? Okay, fine. Then we can wind it up here because what will be the next, right? So I'm just telling you, like we'll continue with different types of trainings and developments. Okay. So before